I was waiting for you.
I'll be waiting for you.
I've been waiting for you.
It's like Kayla's been waiting for you.
I've been waiting for you, Mr. Spearman.
Wake up, I've been waiting for you.
My sons, I've been waiting for you.
I'm waiting for you to make your move.
3 mornings they sat across the road waiting for you.
Have I been waiting for you?
Do you know how long I've been waiting for you to ask?
Why are you standing there?
I'm waiting for you.
I'll be in the van waiting for your signal. Are you all wired up?
Yeah. Right.
You've been waiting for me to retire or drop dead for years now.
No, I haven't been waiting for you to retire.
So you go ahead and you make your move, man. And I will be waiting for you.
I would like to show you my collection of art.
I was waiting for you to ask.
Then you have to find me.
I was in a cafe waiting for you, Ethan. And there she was.
Who are you?
I am the architect. I created the Matrix. I've been waiting for you.
Mia said you hardly ever come here.
There's never been someone I wanted to bring up here. I was waiting for you.
I'm standing around like an idiot, waiting for you.
Waiting for what?
Waiting for you.
Waiting for what?
Waiting for you to get rid of me.